Hi guys, it's Erin Marie and this is Issalook. So today I'll be showing you guys my one and only ZUCA bag over here. I've been using this bag for quite some time now, maybe like a year or so, and prior to this bag I actually had a huge Stellazzi bag, and that one did the job, honestly. Like, it still carried everything, it still had the wheels and the handle, so I was good to go. But what I found was that it was too big for me, especially for like public transportation. Like, people would be staring at me going like, girl, you're taking up 2 seats, move over, get the F out. So I decided to kind of like condense everything and got something smaller. For this bag, it retails to $345 Canadian before taxes, but luckily for this day and age we have Facebook Marketplace, which I got it for $200, I believe. That was a steal, and it was from a previous pro makeup artist. Girl, you don't know what you're missing. Thanks to her, I got this bag. The main reason, again, why I liked it was because it's so compact and the fact that it could hold so much. I'll show you the inside. As of now, it has nothing in it because I'm going to show you what I usually carry with me. This is the main compartment. It has this, which I don't really use. Don't know what to use it for, but if you need something like this, there's that. Little slots here and pouches, but there's also like a little pouch here for notebooks in case I need to write down anything. And even inside this pouch compartment, there's another zipper that leads to the back, and that has even more space for you. And I have my lashes there, but there's that. So that's the main compartment. There's also the sides, which have more pouches. Personally, I just use this for like last minute, like things I need to slip in, so like brushes or like certain products. And then on the sides here, there's more space. That's really good for like, I put like my mirrors or like my fan in there. So we're going to talk about the main compartment again, because I forgot to show you one more thing, guys. There's going to be like this little pouch up here, and I like to keep my brushes and sometimes like the little thing you put around the client to protect their clothes. So there's that. I also forgot to mention that the front is branded by MAC, but ZUCA is the company, I guess, that sponsored MAC for this product that they could have in their line. But yeah. And then for the back here, it has the double wheels, so if you're kind of like the person on the go, and if you're going up the stairs, that actually is going to help you go up and down the stairs, which I don't really do because I'm scared that it'll shatter everything. So if you need that, there's that. And then the fact that you can actually sit on this case, so it was really convenient, again, when I was like waiting for this bus or like the SkyTrain, because I could just sit on it and everyone, again, would be staring, but in a good way, because I'd be sitting down relaxing, and then people would just be like, you have a seat? I want a seat. And yeah, and then obviously the little handle here goes up and down. I'm going to show you the pouches that are inside usually. One of them is going to be full of kind of like the lipsticks, bronzer, blush, all the like little kind of like makeup items that you put all over the face aside from the other two I'm showing you. So obviously we have the foundation pouch here, and then this is kind of like skincare, eyelashes, etc. I have to organize these, but hopefully in the future, maybe I could do like an organization video for you guys. Aside from those pouches, I also do have some palettes from Morphe here that I put inside, as well as my brush holder, which also is very good because I used to have like a huge brush roll, but now I just keep everything in this little compartment rolly thing. If you're like a pro makeup artist like me, well, I wouldn't consider myself pro, but I would definitely recommend this case to any of those who kind of want to save space, who has like loads of makeup but have nowhere to put them, or like maybe like if you have a backpack, that's a no-no because you don't know what you're gonna encounter throughout the day. So this is really good because it's so bulky but also compact and very sturdy. Apparently ZUCA does sell cases like this that are like travel friendly to the point where you could bring it on like carry on, and that's like definitely impressive because again, for how big it is, it still works. I think aside from this product or this bag, I would definitely maybe get like a pouch or like a makeup bag to put on top of it, because I see a lot of makeup artists who do that if this is not enough for them. At the moment for me it's definitely enough, but if I ever do expand my makeup, probably just put like a little bag or pouch up here from Makeup Forever I've been looking into. I think that's about it. Like I don't really need anything else aside from this, so it was definitely like an investment that's worth it. But yeah, if you guys want to see maybe like a breakdown of all the products I might have in this case, feel free to let me know in the comments or let me know in like the DMs, preferably comments. Like, share, and subscribe like the usual if you want to see more of these videos. I'll see you next time.
There's something about you that's so familiar. Something that's got me wanting to know you. And I can't.
Oh!
Why'd you do it?
Do what?
You took it.
What did I take?
You know what you did.
What do you mean? I didn't take anything.
The nuggets.
What? Oh.
You took them.
I didn't take them. I kind of ate them.
Are you serious?
Oh no, he did.
We gotta fuck him up. Fuck him up.
Oh God. I was just hungry. How about I just? Do you guys want some nuggets? How about I buy you guys some nuggets?
20.
Okay. I don't have much. How about a 20? How about a 10 piece with apple slices?
And fries.
Medium?
Yes. That deal.
Is that fair?
I'll take that deal.
Take it.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay.
I
Guys, I need to get out. Hey, it's kind of dark. Hey, can you stop? No, please. No, please. I'm so scared of the dark. Please. Stop. No, I'll give you 20. I'll give you 20, please. I'll give you 20, please.